Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to animate text in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you need to install CapCut and then tap on new project right here and choose your video clip. Tap the video and then locate add text. Tap text at the bottom. Select add text and type your desired words. Position the text where you want it on the screen. So for example, I'm going to add sunset right here. Now I can just basically drag this word anywhere and I can adjust the size by just dragging these circles using my two fingers. Now, once done, and then I will have my options right here. You can choose style. As you can see, you can customize your text using your font. First, your font, you can choose from any font right here. If you're using Pro, then you can use that font with a blue crown or diamond. Styles, locate or select the style that you want. So once you have selected the style, you can also explore and then tap on effects right here. You can tap on effects and you can see different effects. So all you have to do is to select or tap that one. Also, aside from effects, there is this animations here where you can animate in, out, or choose loop. So for example, I'm going to select typewriter, and for loop, you can choose fade in, fade out, everything is up to you. Okay, now there is also bubbles, like if you want to add some, or if you want to make your text creative, you can tap on bubbles and then try preset. So basically, that's it. After that, you can now export your work or project. And as a result, this is what it looks like. And this is how to animate text in CapCut. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.